Case number 1 was the 25-year-old male with splenomegaly and anemia that had returned from a tour of Africa, including Kenya and Sudan. And the diagnosis is Leishmaniasis. The second case was the male of 45 from Sierra Leone with the swelling above the scapula. The diagnosis is Multiceps. The third case was the male of 30 from Democratic Republic of the Congo with a bleeding esophageal varices, and the liver biopsy shows Schistosomiasis. Case number 4 was the male of 12 from Liberia with the hypopigmented skin patches. The diagnosis is tuberculoid leprosy. The final case was the 5-year-old Ugandan child with a 2-week history of generalized lymphadenopathy. The diagnosis is Kaposi sarcoma.